Welcome to Zen AI Governance. Managing AI risks can be complex and overwhelming. How do you effectively track and mitigate these risks? In this tutorial, we will explore the Unified Risk Register template that integrates ISO 42001, NIST, and EU AI Act compliance. Our goal is to help you establish a comprehensive risk management process for AI projects. Let's break it down into structured steps. Start by identifying the risks your AI projects may face. Use a clear risk ID, title, and category to capture each risk effectively. Ensure you evaluate the likelihood and impact of each risk using a scoring model from 1 to 5. Next, document existing controls that are in place. Record who owns the risk and set a next review date to keep the register up to date. Move on to risk assessment. Each risk should be scored based on its likelihood and impact, giving you a final score. Classify risks into levels: low, moderate, high, and critical. Proceed to risk treatment. Develop a mitigation plan for each risk and ensure it's linked to relevant controls for tracking. Monitoring is crucial. Keep track of residual risks and ensure they are reported in your dashboard. Finally, once a risk is mitigated, submit it for closure. The governance board should approve the closure after monitoring. In summary, the Unified Risk Register helps you manage AI risks efficiently by consolidating data and ensuring traceability. Now that you know how to use the Unified Risk Register template, apply this knowledge to your own AI projects. With the right structure in place, you can enhance your risk management practices and ensure compliance. In the first step of utilizing the Unified Risk Register template, take your time to thoroughly identify each potential risk your AI projects might encounter. Effective communication with your team is essential, as collaborative input will enrich the identification process and provide diverse perspectives on which risks may arise. Establish a detailed risk profile through the use of the risk ID, title, and category, ensuring clarity and organization. This foundational work is paramount, as a well-defined risk register serves as the backbone for subsequent stages in your risk management process. Remember that the holistic understanding of these risks sets the stage for a more strategic evaluation in the future. As you move into the risk evaluation phase, apply a scoring model to objectively assess the likelihood and impact of each listed risk. This regular review helps to identify if the circumstances surrounding a risk have changed, allowing for timely adjustments to strategies and controls. A proactive approach in documenting these aspects creates a collaborative environment supportive of effective risk management. Once the existing controls are documented, the next critical step is to conduct a comprehensive risk assessment. Each identified risk should be evaluated through a scoring mechanism based on its likelihood and impact. By assigning each risk a final score, you can categorize them efficiently into 4 distinct levels: low, moderate, high, and critical. This classification not only aids in prioritizing mitigation efforts, but also ensures that resources are allocated appropriately to address the most pressing issues impacting your AI projects. By following the structured steps outlined in this tutorial, you will be equipped to manage AI risks more effectively, streamlining your process and ensuring compliance with essential frameworks. The Unified Risk Register template not only enhances your risk management practices, but also fosters a culture of accountability and proactive oversight within your team. Thanks for watching. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel.